There you go.
Wow.
Mid-back was really tight over there. Did you feel some movement through that mid-back?
Yeah, I felt everywhere.
Good, perfect. Good, just felt some good movement through there, right?
Yeah.
All the way through?
Oh,
Yeah, that's gonna help loosen up that neck.
I felt
a
the
lot.
most in the back and decompression down there. That was
Full
huge.
front too, yeah.
That
I
was
felt
huge.
some in your neck too, so
Yeah,
I can,
good.
I can feel the neck, I can't feel anywhere else, right? So my towel is there, my hands are touching the neck.
Yeah.
So I can feel cavitation in there, as far as going down. It's great. So you feel standing up?
Yeah. Wow.
Good, that's what you needed.